Good morning, pure structure traders. Today is September 29, 2021. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil for you guys. I'll be giving you guys some of the major levels I got. Wendy will be going over some of the minor levels she has, and then I will go over not S&P, but gold and also oil for you guys as well. So with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. Again, if you guys like these videos, please go and smash that like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to pop them in there on YouTube as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into it. So for S&P 500, still in a nice downtrend. We did hit our 43, 78, 75 about almost 3 times and then fell from there, coming down into a little bit of a support that I have 43, 55, 50. Below that level, next level of support for me 43, 44, 75. And then below that 43, 36, 75 as that next area of support as well. So we'll see if we do get down to those areas. But again, we're bouncing off a little bit of a support that I have right now. The next level above for resistance for me above 43, 78, 75 is going to be 43, 89, 75. So with that said, I'm going to hand it over to Wendy. She'll go over some of the minor levels for you.
Our levels are on point today.
Nice.
Yeah. So I'm going to take you on a little tour from yesterday using the micro peaks and why and how it used them to get up to David's resistance up there at 43.77. Oh, should I share my screen?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
There you
that one.
go.
Okay. So here we are. We have that triple top right there, right where David said his resistance. But let's start over here. Here's that little support area that David was talking about, 43.50, and how the market used it. Now we're going to leave it alone. You don't have to trade this. Now we let the market do its thing. Go up, come down, go up, come down. That's the beauty of, that's the structure of a bullish pullback into a bearish trend. So here's peak number one. Peak one, go long, go long, go long. Peak two, go long. Peak three over there at that nice double top. Go long, go long, go long. Look at all that juice on peak three, right? So it's still, these peaks are still using these bounces for a further move up. Here's our peak four right here. Let the market just wiggle around here. Don't worry about it. You could go long there. See those two candles? You could go long here, knowing that this is resistance right here, right here. But where did the market go? Use those micro peaks to go all the way up to resistance. Now we can still use them. We can use them. Now we can use them as resistance, not support. So here it is. Here's our first resistance area right here. Here's peak four. Look at that, traded below it. You can hit the short here. Here is our peak three, beautiful double top right here at 61.62. Where is it going to go? It's going to go down to the main support and use it for the bounce. It might continue bullish on up to David's other area up at the 90, but it might not. It might use the 62 to come back down because we are bearish. So these are the micro peaks, how they work for the bullish move up and also how they can be used for the resistance for the way down. So that's our spoozy. I'm going to pass it on to you for oil and gold.
All right, perfect. Let's go ahead and jump back into it. Okay, so for gold, a couple areas that we have. We do have a level of resistance that we kind of hit already, which we're at couple support. Sorry, I think I deleted them here, but we're at a level of support 17.35.5. We had some resistance sitting up here at right around these 42 to 43s. And then above that, we popped above our 45 and came right back down. So looking to see if we get this support here on gold right around these 35.5s. If not, look out for the market to move to its next level, somewhere around 1730.9, still in a downtrend. So keep that in mind that you may get this support to try to pull back up into those 42s from this area of 35.5. So we'll keep that in mind. But again, next level support down below for gold, 1730.9. All right, moving over into crude oil. Crude oil, we have Little bit of support. We bounced off of 74.57, looking to retest those 75.22s. And then if we get above that, next level is 75.61 to about 75.76. Again, still in a downward move. We could pull down deeper. If we do, next level for me is going to be somewhere around these 73.47s. We did get a little bit of a support earlier though, 73.74 as support as well on crude oil. So if we do come down again, that may be the next area that it looks to try to touch for support as well. So we'll keep that in mind, but let's go ahead and prepare for this open.